Replace symbolic links with files. Is there an easy way to replace all symbolic links with the file they link to?
For some definitions of easy. Run this script with link names as arguments, for example through find.type lexec/path/toes/script, plus.
If I understood you correctly, the L flag of the CP command should do exactly what you want. Just copy all the sym links and it will replace them with the files they point to.
Might be easier to just use tar to copy the data to a new directory. You could use something like this.
Based on this URL of Master Geppetto and with edits from @Tom.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.